Hey guys, so today we're going to do kind of a follow along drawing. We're going to use what's called patterns. If you've taken my Zentangle Dojo Club, then you've done some of these patterns. If you haven't, they're pretty easy patterns to do. So I'm choosing 4 colors. I don't want to use too many colors. I'm just going to start with 4 colors. If I want to add more later, I might. And we're just going to follow along. So follow along while I make a big jump from one side to the other side, like so. Just a little bump, a little hump, a little arch, a half circle. I'm going to do this like the letter M all the way across our paper, over and over and over again. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start in the middle of this next little bump right here. Now pretend like it's like a goat and it's jumping from one hill to the next hill. So here I'm using a different color and I'm going to jump from one right there in the middle. See a little dot in the middle? From one side all the way over to the other side. So think of it like a goat jumping and try to make it so it jumps in the middle of the next hill. Then we want to do a little social distancing, and the next goat will jump over, and the next one jumps over. You can put a little gap in between there if you want, or you don't have to. All the way off the page. So I'll take a third color, and I'm going to do the same thing. Start in the middle of the hill, jump to the next middle of the hill, over and over again. And now we have a pattern. Kind of looks like a mermaid scale or a fish scale or a dragon scale. Here's my 4th color and draw another row all the way across. And then I can repeat the colors that I started with or just add colors differently. But I don't want to go all the way to the top of my paper. I'm going to stop about right here. So the next thing is inside of these little hills, I'm going to add some lines of different colors to make it look like a rainbow. So I'm going to do, I think about 3 lines is how I'll do it. Going one line with one color all the way across. Then I'll do another line with a different color on the inside. And I'll do this all the way across. You can follow along with me, or you can watch this and do it later on your own. But I'm going nice and slow, so hopefully you're following along. And so in each one, I want to add a different color. I'm adding 2 lines in each. You can add 3 if you want. I want to keep doing this all the way up. So the next pattern I'm going to do is called the sippy. It kind of looks like a straw that you put in your drink. So we're going to draw 2 lines, even space between them, going parallel. Parallel means to go in the same direction. Now I don't want to go over my name. If I haven't said this before, we need to make sure we put our names at the top of our paper. You saw my name up there. I should have asked you to do that at the beginning of class. If I had, Mr. Ray should have asked them to draw their name. So after I draw some straws, what I'm going to do is draw some U's. Like draw 3 U's. 1, 2, 3. And then give it some space and go up towards the top and do 1, 2, 3. And that's the pattern I'm going to do across each one of those little straws that I drew. So 3, long looking U's over and over and over again on each straw. We'll do is color it in. Now I know if you see my paper is already yellow, but I don't want to leave it yellow. I'll leave some of it yellow, but most of it I want to color in a different color. So use your crayons to color it in. Use lots of different colors. What's called a variety color. So that means many, many colors. That means not 4, not 5, maybe 6. 7 would be amazing. 8 would be spectacular. 10 colors? Wow, that would just be over the moon. So try to use as many colors as you can, and I hope you enjoy this project. Thanks, guys.